Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, Accenture has started sending admit card email to the candidates, and here the exam date is between 19th of October 2024 till 30th of November 2024, right? So this is for the batch of 2025 on campus. Friends, for off-campus batch student, they have lot of queries. Actually, after I uploaded one video, I was able to see there are a lot of comments on this particular video that sometimes what is happening when you are trying to apply, it is telling already your profile is there, right? You are not able to apply for certain jobs. So, sometimes it is pending in review. So a lot of, queries you have. And friends, frankly speaking, the solution for all those queries are not available, but yes, I will tell you something and that we will try to do it. Okay, so one by one we will start. So friends, the first thing here is, right, if you'll see Accenture placement 2025, download your admit card now. So definitely this is happening college wise. Okay, so if you have received this email, then you need to prepare. The time is very less, right? So you are eligible to participate in our recruitment process. Please find attached your admit card for participating in our hiring program to be held from 19th of October till 30th of November, right? Friends, if you will be asking me link for 2025 batch, that you have to get from your college, right? So before you attempt this test, you will have to give the mock test, which is already enabled. Please ensure the following system requirements are followed clearly. Additional instruction will be provided to you just before your assessment and interview dates, right? Okay, now, so these are for 2025 batch. 2025 batch, take every exam very seriously, right? Because the onboarding, joining, this kind of things are getting delayed, right? By many companies it is getting delayed. So if you have many opportunities, right, then at least you will be having choice to join the company whichever is giving opportunity to you, right? Okay, and for 2024 batch, friends, we will just try to see. So if you have any kind of application, how you will be able to withdraw. So it's not for 2024, so 2023, 2022, any batch, right? And also, so if you are getting this kind of, right, so here it will be pending for review and this kind of errors you will be getting. So now what is the solution for that, right? Okay, so friends, after I saw your queries on YouTube, right, so then I thought, okay, so let's dig a bit, okay, and what is the solution? Let's try to understand it. Okay, so friends, before I move ahead, please do not forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel, because see, we are genuinely putting effort for you. See, things will happen or it will not happen, that is a different thing, but at least we are trying to gather the information and we are trying to give it to you, right? Okay, so friends, basically if you'll ask me, I will tell you there is no exact solution available, right? See, the one thing which you can do is you will be able to raise a ticket in the support team again and again. They will be also closing the ticket without giving you the proper solution. They will tell, so before 2 weeks of your interview, before 2 weeks of your examination, you will be getting the these are, sometimes you will feel that these are the system generated emails, right, where nobody is giving you proper resolution, right? But friend, there is no other way. Accenture has not opened any other path where you will be able to connect to them, right? So see, this is their support here. If you'll go to their website, that link I will also put in the description. So this is one support thing where you will be where you will go, right, and then you will check pre-placement connect, right? If you are getting any problem in registration, detailed guide, right, if your college name is not listed, so that you will be able to assessment, mock assessment, even each and everything they will tell you, right? So for registration process, so they will also give you options. You can chat with us, you can call us, you can raise the ticket, right? So all those things you will be able to do, but proper solution is not getting provided and they are closing the ticket now. And the other option, friends, which I was seeing, so what you can do is, so if you have applied for some role, right, and if you are not able to apply, some kind of problems you are getting, so you can log in with the credentials, right, your credentials, and then you should be able to withdraw this application. So these are the two things. I don't know how much it will work. Okay, so that I'm totally not aware that how much it is going to work, but one thing which I can tell you, friends, right? So what you do is now, so take help of LinkedIn. Okay, so go on LinkedIn, okay, write your problem, tag the CEO, the founder, like whomever you get from Accenture, you tag it. Whomever means the, you know, big shot only. Now somebody is working in Accenture, now you started tagging them only, so it's of no use, right? Okay, so where is my PPT went? Okay, so it's of no use, right? So that is what now our next step will be, that is what we are going to do. Otherwise there is no solution. See, you know, somebody will tell you this is happening, that is happening, okay, but nothing is working out. You also know and I also know. And see, if there is any solution I can give you, that this is what you do. Now if you'll come and tell me, sir, you know, it is showing even 3 months is over, right? So even 3 months is over from the date I wrote the examination. I have already discussed about cooling period and all. So sir, 3 months is over, but still I am not able to apply. Okay, so it is showing this, your profile is already you know, you have already applied for this job, or your profile is not available, or any kind of error. Now what I will suggest you, there is, see, this is the Accenture website. This is not some other website where I can tell you, you change your contact number, you change your email ID. What all you change? You cannot change your name, you cannot change your father name, you cannot change your PAN ID, PAN number, right? See, you cannot change your name, you cannot change your father mother name, right? You cannot change your PAN number. So these are the details they are asking. Okay, so even though if you change your mobile number and if you change your you know, email ID, it will not be helpful for you, right? So basically we are not able to get any support from the Accenture, right? So the only thing which is left to us, right? See, I will also make a video on Accenture. We will see, we will put a post on LinkedIn, right? But the only thing is you have to, you know, come in support, and that should reach to Accenture, right? Friends, a recent incident where Infosys was, right? Infosys had hold the offer letter from 2 years, right? And then you know, lot of post which went on LinkedIn, and then the Infosys right, so the CEO, so he said like all the offers will be getting honored, and we could see like more than 2000 plus offer joining letters were you know, rolled out, and they even joined. Few of them already joined in October 7th, and few of them are going to join on October 20. So like these things are happening. So that is the one way, because this process has to be streamlined. Either, see, any time if you'll see, right, on their website, so if you go here and if you'll see careers, right, so entry level jobs, if you'll see, anytime if you'll see, then this package app development associate, right, and system and service application service associate, these kind of jobs will be open. So when you keep open the job, right, okay, then you need to tell the proper reason when you applied. You should have a complete, right? So see, you like TCS, you make a data. So when did you apply? Okay, now you cannot apply for this profile, you are not eligible. See, your website is, see, you are telling that Accenture is a very good company, right? Accenture is a top MNC, right? So if you'll check on you know, Wikipedia, they have given big list of Accenture achievement. Your website only is not able to handle the small request from the student, right? See, more than 50% of the students are confused, or they don't even know what is this data, why my application is getting rejected, why I am not able to apply for the jobs, right? If the cooling period is 90 days, why I am not able to apply, right? Why my application is showing pending in review, right? So lot of all these problems are happening, right, with each and every student. Now, so we need some proper solution, and that solution, for that only I am telling, friends. So let us come back on LinkedIn. Okay, so on LinkedIn we will see, so how we can get the support here, right? So basically we have to definitely, right, so put the post, and we have to tag you know, the Accenture CEO or anybody, like, you know, on big post on Accenture, so that we will have to do it, right? So they will have to streamline this process. Otherwise there is no other way you are going to solve your problems, right? Okay, see, generally what will happen, friends, if we'll talk about the process, right? So if we'll talk about the process, then the process is, so you will be able to register. See, it's like Accenture, no, once you register, that's all. Only one time you will register. After that, I will not, you know, Accenture is telling, I will not let you write any exam, right? So once you register, then see, it's all luck based exam. Now I will say, if your luck is good, then you will be getting this proper mail, this, that, and all. See, even there is no process defined. Today you apply, after see, somebody is getting assessment will after 5 months, after 10 months, after 7 months, after 8 months, right? But friends, if we'll talk about off campus, on campus, no, for on campus, these are the issues which are unsolved, and we cannot do anything for that, right? Okay, for on campus they have a proper plan, right? So they will tell within 1 month I will give you the complete result. So from the day we are starting the pre-placement talk, after that within 1 month all the exams will be conducted, and you will be also getting the offer letter here, right? So friends, registration is there, mock test is there, cognitive and technical assessment is there, coding round is there, and communication round. Okay friends, before I explain, I wanted to tell you, so you please put a post on LinkedIn and then you tag me. So I will just see so LinkedIn, I will just try to log in. So you see my ID, and then you put a post and then you tag me, right? And then we will see, we will try to put a post. And okay, so join us on LinkedIn. So I don't know if my profile will be displayed here or not. Okay, so fine, so this is something else, no problem. But in generally in videos I give the link that you can directly connect with me. Okay, so that also I don't think it is available here, right? Okay, so friends, something definitely we will have to do it, and then only we will be able to figure it out that how and what will be the particular solution. So you put a post, and my ID is Pratik Srivastava, right? So you tag me, and I will also put a post for multiple posts we will put for Accenture. Let it reach to the some people who is responsible, right? So there is some issue, so you can anyway you can search me on LinkedIn, and the link will be also there in the description. Okay, now, so friends, this is the process which you will be following, right? Either for off campus or on campus. First you will do the registration, then there will be mock test, then there will be cognitive and technical assessment, then coding round. Coding round and this round 1 and round 2 will be happening together. Okay, so this basically, these two will be happening together after your mock test. Mock test, you see, mock test is not mandatory, right? Mock test is not mandatory, but friends, if you'll ask me, I will tell you, you should and must write mock test, because if there is any system problem is there, then you will be able to realize in mock test. And if you don't do that, then if there is any kind of problem you face during the actual assessment, then it's gone, that opportunity you will miss it, right? So if we'll talk about the PADA role, then that time we have cognitive and technical assessment and coding round, communication round, and then the interview will be happening, right? Okay, and also friends, I have told you about the syllabus, the pattern basically. So in the right, so 50 plus 40, 90 questions will be there, right, in your first round, round 1. So where verbal ability will be there, 17 question will be there, critical reasoning 18 question will be there, abstract reasoning 15 question, total 50 question. And in technical assessment you will be having a common application 20 question, and MS Office, networking security 10, pseudo code 18, total 40, 50 plus 40, 90 question will be there, right? 90 question, 90 minutes. And after that, 2 codes you will be getting, 2 codes you will have to solve. I think for that they're giving 45 minutes, I'm not very sure. So round 1, this is your round 1. Round 2 will be coding, 2 coding questions will be there, timing I can't remember exactly. Okay, and then round 3 will be your communication round. Okay, and then your round 4, and then your round 4 will be your TR and HR round. That's all. That is the end of your you will be getting LOI after that, right? So friend, basically 2 things I wanted to tell in this particular video, and that I have communicated to you. So let's see how we can fight and get back the things in process, because nobody can answer to all your queries, because it is not defined anywhere, not even Accenture website, and not even Accenture employee can tell you. Thank you, take care, all the very best. Let's take a step and fight together.